charm, buddy.
They
I
come
got one little bench over here.
Comes Elijah.
You gotta sit down on the bench, buddy.
Sit down right here.
Here, sit down. Let Mama
All the
sit.
way over so everybody can get a seat.
Can you sit maybe in front of Mama? You gotta scoot over, buddy. You gotta get close. You gotta get close. You're gonna bring the food out.
Wait till the food comes out. You guys are gonna get bird attacked.
He's like, I'm gonna go back out there, Mom. Yeah.
Look at, they know what's up too. They're waiting.
Cover your mouth.
Cover, yeah. That one kid was like, "Oh, we come here all the time."
I know why she said it's like she didn't step on that.
She gonna come out with a whole bunch of food. Look at, they know what's up too. They're waiting. Let me get Elijah because I know they're gonna get on his head.
Hold on away.
Here, watch out.
Look at her. Oh, that goes up for Whitney already.
Whitney.
Ah, hold on tight. Okay, here they come. Put your arm out, Elijah.
Good job.
Oh, they're drinking. Let them.
Oh,
Hello. Elijah, hold your arms out.
yeah, hold your arm out, Elijah.
They get on you, not Mama. There you go. They're on them. They're on them. Class.